What do you feel when a sudden pop-up ad appears while browsing a site? Well, there's a high chance you're annoyed by them, just like their original creator, Ethan Zuckerman, who named them the internet's original sin. Ethan dislikes pop-up ads because they disrupt people's online experience. He believes pop-ups prioritize profits over user satisfaction, making the web less enjoyable and user-friendly. But it doesn't have to be that way. Take a look at how Nike does it. When I go to their website, there's no annoying interruption. But the moment I go to leave the site, a clean and noticeable pop-up shows up with a clear message. Shop exclusives, shop first, inviting me to join their membership program. It's like having a friendly store assistant in a physical shop who understands what you're looking for, guides you to the right spot, and offers you a great deal. It's all about making your customers' online shopping experience as smooth as a visit to a traditional store. The type of pop-up that Nike uses is called an exit intent pop-up. These pop-ups work well for online stores because they give a chance to grab a visitor's attention just before they leave the website. The pop-up tracks their cursor's movement and appears when the cursor is idle or leaves the page window. When this happens, an overlay window appears with a special deal or reward that can convince your shoppers to stay and make a purchase. According to MailChimp, 10 to 15% of lost website visitors can be saved by using exit intent pop-ups. So let's go over the 3 key factors you should consider when crafting your next exit intent pop-up, especially when running a print-on-demand store. Relevance and value. Ensure that the pop-up is relevant to the visitor and provides clear value, addressing their needs or interests. You can use it to bring attention to any of your ongoing promos and invite shoppers to join the email list by giving them a discount on their first order. Timing and triggers. Set the exit intent trigger to activate at the right moment, typically when a shopper is about to leave the website, and carefully time your pop-up to avoid being too aggressive or intrusive. Design and user experience. Create a visually appealing and easy to understand design for the pop-up, optimizing for mobile and desktop, while ensuring that users can quickly close the pop-up if they choose not to engage. The work doesn't end here. I recommend creating several pop-ups that appear under different conditions to see which one works best. It's worth noting that this particular advertising method works primarily for online stores that operate on e-commerce platforms that provide additional plugins. So find the time to check your platform's app store or plugin page and find the best exit intent pop-up solution for your store. And if you already use them, let me know how they affected your business in the comments. See you next time.